Hi folks, so this is lesson number 6. Right here you can see that the price stayed for some time. We have 4 to 5 candles staying in what region, and then we had a fair value gap right here on this candle. So we marked this zone as a demand zone. So when the price was retracing back to this area, we were looking for buys. But before taking any trade, we have to confirm a trade, that if it is really going to be buy or it is going to be sell. So up to this candle we did not have any confirmation to take a trade on buys, and then again we had some bearish candles, and here this candle, although it did not close below because the wick of the candle is already inside the zone, but it did violated the demand zone. How? Because this body of the candle has already closed below the zone. So whenever this happen in these kind of scenarios, we do not look any more for buys. We wait and look at the price action, and then you can see like this candle has already given us and a very good signal that the demand may become supply in near in the future. And then the price went up, and then we got a swing high. This wick is higher than this candle and this one, so it means it is a swing high. And then we had a long impulse bearish candle. So whenever this happen, like whenever you get an impulsive candle and it break the previous structure, right, you can see that it broke even the swing high area, and then it broke this structure. So whenever this happen, it means that demand has become supply. And now you will be thinking, where do I take trade, where do I enter? So it's very easy. It's a good tip I'm giving to you. Whenever you see a big impulsive candle, right, like this one, and it is near to the zone, or is it inside the zone, doesn't matter. So whenever this happen and the price retraces back to this area, take a trade on the 50% retracement. So the price moved up, as you can see here. You could have taken an entry, or you could have waited again, and when the price retraced back to this area, you could have entered there for sales, and then you can see the price was very beautifully going down. It was bearish.